This is week 7, and we're going to finish up day 19 and day 20. Wednesday, Introduction to Computers and Information Systems. Check where you're at. Midterm was coming up. We're working on digital everything. Talking about images, content, representing everything with ones and zeros. Web design development and spreadsheet work. So we talked a little bit about, for example, create an image, GIF, JPEG. These are the formats, different format that makes up some image. We use those extensions to represent it. It's all represented in ones and zeros. And we got started with a little bit of navigating content. We talked about hypertext, hypermedia, links. We talked about how we can move through content and then have a link that hypertext moves us to content in another area. Talk about multimedia, and on Friday we're going to look at Blender. Websites, we talked about Facebook, Google site, and in class we're going to use HTML and hypertext transfer protocol to better understand the web in general. Understand how that works. And then on Friday, this was still week 7. Friday, Blender and gaming. We talked, Riley Dirksen did a demo on Blender. And also talked about the gaming industry. We finished up spreadsheets. Key elements, values, avoiding the formula. Talked about being detail oriented. Excel and Google Sheets. Finishing up the project. Skills base was Monday. Were there any questions? Let me know. And that was it for week 7.